Welcome to today's episode where we dive deep into the world of database management tools, specifically focusing on an incredible software called dbeaver. If you're a developer, SQL programmer, or even just someone with a curiosity for data, you're in for a treat. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is dbeaver? Well, it's a free multi-platform database tool designed for a variety of users, from developers to database administrators and data analysts. One of the most remarkable things about dbeaver is its versatility. It supports pretty much any database you can think of that has a JDBC driver. That's right, we're talking about nearly every database under the sun. You might be wondering what makes dbeaver stand out. For starters, it has a plethora of features like a metadata editor, SQL editor, and even a rich data editor. It's capable of data exports, imports, and migrations, and it can generate SQL execution plans. With dbeaver, you can also create entity relationship diagrams, or ERDs, which is a useful way to visualize your database structure. Isn't that just cool? Now, for those developers who need to manage non-JDBC databases like MongoDB, Cassandra, or even Redis, dbeaver has you covered with its commercial versions. It extends its functionality to also support these NoSQL databases, which is an impressive feat. What's exciting is that dbeaver is based on the Eclipse platform, which means it's highly customizable through a plugin architecture. This allows users to add additional functionality suited to their specific needs, whether that's for databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or even the likes of H2 and Teradata. You really have the freedom to tailor your environment. Now, if you're interested in trying it out, downloading dbeaver is super straightforward. You can grab it directly from their official website or even through GitHub releases. And here's a fun fact. dbeaver includes OpenJDK 17, ensuring it runs smoothly right out of the box. You just install it, unzip the archive, and voila, you're ready to go. But let's pivot a bit. dbeaver's community is robust, over 35,000 stars on GitHub. That shows just how much love there is for this tool. They're always looking for contributors, especially those who might be keen to work on code. If you're a budding coder looking to step into the world of open source, they have labeled some issues as good first issue, making it easier for you to jump in. And hey, while it's a desktop client, if you're in the market for something web-based, they also have CloudBeaver, which extends many of the same capabilities, but in a cloud environment. Now, before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking question. Why do you think it's important to have such versatile, supportive tools for managing databases in today's data-driven world? As we conclude our discussion today, remember that tools like dbeaver not only ease the management of complex data, but also foster a community where contributors can collaborate and innovate. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this insight into dbeaver and its capabilities both informative and engaging. Don't forget to explore, contribute if you can, and as always, keep learning.